Jicama Apple Salad with lime dressing. Looking for something light, refreshing, and completely addictive? This Jicama Apple Salad with lime dressing is your new go-to for a zesty, crunchy escape from the usual side dishes. It's sweet, citrusy, and delivers just enough bite to make every forkful exciting. Jicama is often underrated, but its mild crunch makes it the perfect base for bold pairings. Think of it as a cross between a pear and a potato crisp, slightly sweet and hydrating. When you bring in the natural sweetness of apples and the brightness of fresh lime, magic happens. This salad doesn't just taste fresh, it feels fresh. Here's what you'll need for a salad that serves for: 1 medium jicama, peeled and cut into thin matchsticks. 2 crisp apples, Honey Crisp or Fuji work beautifully, julienne. 1 small cucumber, thinly sliced, optional for extra crunch. 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro. Juice of 2 limes. 1 tablespoon honey or agave syrup. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Pinch of sea salt. 1/4 teaspoon chili powder for a mild kick. Optional, Tajin seasoning or toasted pepitas for topping. To assemble, just toss the jicama, apples, and cucumber in a large bowl. In a small bowl, whisk together lime juice, honey, olive oil, salt, and chili powder. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and mix well. Add cilantro and any toppings you like just before serving. This salad is perfect for picnics, BBQs, or those lazy days when you want something fast but unforgettable. It's naturally vegan, gluten-free, and can easily be customized with ingredients like mango, avocado, or red onion. The lime dressing pulls everything together, bright, slightly sweet, and with just enough tang to keep things interesting. Here's a tip: let the salad sit in the fridge for 10-15 minutes before serving. The flavors meld beautifully and it becomes even more refreshing. Now the big question: will this salad make it to your weekly rotation, or become your signature summer dish? Let us know what twist you'd add in the comments.